Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing the long-awaited video, a slime restock from my slime shop, link in the description, so make sure to go check it out if you're interested. But yeah, so I have so many new slimes to show you and I am so excited, so let's get on with the restock video. This first slime is called Bomb Pop Icy. This is a layered blue, white, and red icy slime, and when you mix it, it turns into a really pretty purple. The slime also inflates and it is unscented. The next slime is called Dragon Fruit Chunks, and this is a pretty pink metallic shimmery slime, and then it also has dragon fruit Fima slices as well as black glitter to represent the season of dragon fruit. It is also scented like really yummy dragon fruit, and it comes with 1 to 3 little plastic pieces to represent pieces of dragon fruit. This next slime is called Raw Honeycomb. It is a super thick base, clear slime base. It's not fully clear just because of the scent. So yeah, but it is scented like honey. And it also has some honeycomb sponges in it, which give it a really nice texture. And they also make a really nice sound when you squeeze them. This next slime is called Rainbow Lychee Jelly. It is a really pretty pink slime, jelly slime. The color doesn't really show on camera, but it is a really pretty pink. It has rainbow sprinkles. It is scented like lychee, and it also has some rainbow pom-poms. Also, keep in mind, some of the slimes in the video are a little overactivated. That's because they were just made. So as you can see, this one is a little bit tough, but trust me, when you get it, it will be much softer. This slime is called Over the Rainbow. It is a really nice foam. It has a majority of white foam beads, but then it also has some large and mini rainbow foam beads. It is also unscented. This next slime, most of you will probably remember, but it is called Bunny Fluff. We did change the color to a white instead of that tan color. And then you will still get to pick your scent, and it will come with a randomized charm. So this is just a really fluffy, drizzly cloud slime. It's also a improved recipe too. This next slime is one of my favorites out of the whole restock because it is a Bingsu Bead slime. This is called Party Pants. It is a really pretty metallic slime with a lot of Bingsu beads. It has blue, pink, green, silver, iridescent, and gold Bingsu beads, and it is so crunchy. The last time I stocked a Bingsu bead slime in my shop, so many people loved it, so I brought it back, and I hope you guys love this. So, yeah. This slime is one of my OG bestsellers, just in a different texture. This is called Chocolate Truffle. Most of you remember it as a cloud slime. Now it is a cloud cream, cloud dough slime. It doesn't really have drizzles, so if you want a drizzly cloud slime, I would recommend going for Bunny Fluff. But if you like cloud creams that inflate, then definitely go with this one. It is a brown chocolate scented cloud cream, cloud dough slime, and it will also come with a chocolate charm. This next slime is called Reese's Puffs Extreme. This is a brown thick slime with white foam beads. It also has a bunch of different like sequins and brown chocolate chunks. They're fake, obviously. So overall, this is just a really crunchy slime. It gives great sizzles and crunches, and I honestly love it. It is scented like Reese's peanut butter cups. So if you don't like peanut butter, or if you're allergic to it, or you really just don't like it, I would not recommend this because it does have a strong peanut butter scent. Also, while I'm watching back over this slime looks really gross on camera. The color just looks weird, but in real life, it is like a more Reese's Puff brown color, so I don't know why it looks that color on camera. This next slime is another one of my top favorites in this restock. This is called Lemonade Crunchy Ice. If you know the song, then you're awesome. But this is a yellow clear glue based slushy slime. It has really good crunches. It is super thick and it has no fallout at all. It is also scented like frosted lemonade, and it has some cute little iridescent glitters. It will also come with 1 to 2 fake ice cubes. This slime is called Oh Happy Day. It is a really pretty yellow metallic slime, and it has a bunch of different foam beads. It has mini rainbow foam beads, and then it also has jumbo pink, blue, and turquoise foam beads. This slime is also scented really, really yummy. It is scented just like watermelon. This slime is called Green Apple Thicky. It is a obviously green thick slime, and the thing is, when it's thick, but it also has a little bit of a jiggle. as you can see in the video, but it is really amazing. This is another one of my favorites. If you like plain slimes, I would definitely go with this one because it's just like, it's amazing for a plain slime. It is also scented like green apple. This is called pineapple butter. It is a really dense yellow butter slime. It is very, very, very creamy. It is scented like pineapple, and it will also come with a super cute pineapple charm.